to all my lovely children. I welcome you again to today's online classes. I hope you are preparing for the examination. Now let us see our chapter number 3 addition. Again, we will have some revision questions. Find the sum. Sum means addition. By adding you have to find the answer result, that is sum. First question, see children, look over here. 79 plus 0. First question is 79 plus 0. If 0 is adding to any number, what the answer comes? Do you remember the properties of addition? If any number is added to the number, if any 0 is added to the number, then what the answer comes? The same number. Okay. Written 36 plus 1. 36 plus 1. Then do it and see what the answer comes. 36 plus 1, 37. Okay. Next, 27 plus blank is there, and then again 27. See, 27 is there. If you are adding something, at least 1 or 2, then the numbers answer we get, it should be increased number. It should be more than 27, yes or no? But here in this case, the 27 is the same number as it was before adding. So here the number will be 0. That means if 0 is added to the number, the answer becomes the same, the number. Next, fourth question, 49 plus blank 50. Tell me children, 49 was their first number, something should be added to it, and then we get the answer as 50. 49 is 50 is greater than 49, yes? So something is added to 49 to get 50. Can you tell me? Yes, 1. 49, if we add 1 with 49, we get the answer as 50. Okay. Next question, let us see children. Fifth question. See clearly. 4 plus 6 plus 5. I am repeating again. 4 plus 6 plus 5. How much children? Here answer is 15. True? Okay. Next, 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4, then blank is there. Then again we get the answer as 15. Can you tell me which number will be coming in the box? Can you tell me children? I will tell. See, 4 is there, 6 is there, 5 is there. That means 3 numbers are there. So in the next also, both are having the same answer, 15. In the next case, next line also, 3 numbers should be there. 5 is already written. Okay, 4 is already written. So which number is missing here? Can you see from the first line? Which number is missing? Yes, 6 is missing. So we will put 6 in the blank. Likewise, you have to solve these questions. First, see how many numbers are there. If the answers of both the lines are same, then see which numbers is present in the second line and find the missing number and put it in the box or blank given there. Next question, see 20 plus 15 plus 10. Again see children, 3 numbers are given. After adding them, we get the answer 45. Next line, 10 plus blank plus 15. We get the answer as 45. See, we are having both the answers same as 45. So what we will do? We will compare the numbers. See, what are numbers are given here. See children, 20 not given, 15 is given. Yes, 15 is here in the second line. 10 is also here in the second line. So which number is missing in the second line as compared to the first number? 15 is already given. Okay, 10 is already we have taken. It is given here. So which number is missing here? Yes, this 20 number is not present here. So we will put 20 in the box like this. So this equation has been completed now. So children, these are the questions related to the properties of addition. Okay, repeat it once again. So children, let us see some more questions of addition. Find the sum and write down the answers. Find the sum means you have to add the numbers and then get the answer of it. Let us see children. See, we are having how many digits of number here? You can see 2 digits numbers, that is it consists of ones and tens. Okay, these are 2 digits numbers. So how to do the addition? Let us revise it again. Starting from the ones place children. Start always from the ones place, then goes to the tens place, and then if hundreds place is also given, then we will do that one also. See, ones place we are having 8 and 1. Ones place we are having 8 and 1. Can you tell me 8 plus 1 what's the answer comes? 9. Okay, write down in the under ones column like this. Okay. Then let us come to the tens place. Tens place we are having 2 and 4. We have to add 2 and 4. So after adding 2 and 4, which number comes? 6. So this 6 is the answer of tens column. We will write down here just below 2, 4 and under tens column like this. Okay. I am repeating here children. 28 plus 41. It is even. So start from the ones column. 8 plus 1 we get the answer as 9. Then we goes to the tens column. 2 plus 4 we get the answer as 6. That you have to write under tens column. Okay. Clear? We get the answer here is 69. Let us see the next question. 82 plus 15. 82 plus 15. Starting from the ones place. 2 plus 5 children. 2 plus 5. How much? 7. Yes or no? Okay. Then tens place. 8 plus 1. Which number we will be getting? 8 plus 1. 9. So write down here the answer which is coming. First write in the ones column, then tens column after adding. Let us see the next question. 13 plus 21. What is the question given? 13 plus 21. Start from the ones place. We are having number 3 and 1. 3. 3 plus 1. How much? 4. Okay. Written. Then we are having next number under tens place. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Count how much? 3. So we will write down on the tens column like this. Next question here children. 2 digits are there but it is in the carry concept. Okay. Let us see this question. Start with this question. Ones place, tens place. Start from the ones place. 7 and 6. We have to add 7 and 6. 7 and 6. How much we are getting children? 13. Okay. This 13 written but it is 2 numbers. It consists of 2 digits. 13 consists of 2 digits. Ones and tens. We can write down it as 1 tens and 3 ones. Yes? Okay. Remember now? 1 tens and 3 ones. So this 3 we will write down here under ones column. See clearly this 3 we will write down under ones column and this 1 will be going to the tens place as carry. Remember? It will be going to the tens place as carry and after adding the tens place numbers we will add this one with it. Okay. Let us do. Return 13 like this. Then 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 children. 14. Yes or no? 14. So this 14 we are already having 1 as carry. So we will write down 15. Okay. Our answer comes 15. We will write down 15 here like this under the tens column. So children understood? Let us do the questions here. 4 plus 7. Yes, 11. 1 will be here and 1 will be carry over to the tens place. Then 7 plus 6. 13. 13 already 1 is there. 13 plus 1 children. 13 plus 1. 14. So we will write down 14 here under tens column like this. Clear? Next question. 5 and 6. Add 5 and 6. 11. Again 1 will be here and 1 will be coming to the tens place like this. Then see anything is given in the tens place? No. We can put it simply as 0. Then 8 plus 0. 8. Then 8 plus 1. 9. So our answer 85 plus 6 is 91. Clear? Next question let us see. 4 and 8. We have to add 4 and 8. What's the answer comes? 12. 2 here and 1 will be carry over to the tens place like this. Okay. Then 5 plus 8. 13. 13 plus 1. 14. Yes or no? We will write down 14 here under tens column like this. Answer 54 plus 88. Our answer comes as 142. So these are the questions of the 2-digit numbers. So children, now let us solve some more questions of the addition. Here what you can see children in difference from the previous question. Yes, in the previous question we are having 2 digits and here we will be seeing about 3-digit number. Do you remember 3-digit numbers consist of how many place values? 3. Ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens and 100. So here also we will be starting addition with the ones column. Okay. Then tens column. Then coming to the hundreds column. Let us do children. 3 plus 4. You can see the number given 603, 603, 284, 284. Okay, starting from the ones place, we are having numbers 3 and 4. Adding 3 and 4, what number comes? 7. So this 7 will write down on the ones column like this. Okay, next tens place, 0 plus 8. Again, any number is adding with the 0, the same number will be coming as the answer. Remember? So directly write down here 8. Next, hundreds place. We are having 6 and 2. What we are having, children? 6 and 2. If we have to add 6 and 2, which number will be coming? 8. So this 8 will write down here under hundreds place like this. Understood, children? Let us do more questions. 5. Here next question is 275, 312. We have to add 275 and 312. Starting from the ones place, 5 and 2. 5 and 2. What the answer comes as? 7. This 7 we will have written like this. Then tens place we are having 7 and 1. 7 plus 1 is very easy. You can say yes, 8. We will have written now. Then coming to the hundreds place, 2 and 3. We have to add 2 and 3. What number we will be getting? 5. So we have to write here in the under hundreds column. Clear, children? Next question is, see clearly. See 326. 3 digits are there, 326. But in the second step, we are having only 2 digits. So hundreds place is missing. We can put 0 like this. Yes or no? Let us do. 326 plus 42. Starting from the ones place, 6 and 2. If we have to add 2 and 6, the answer comes as 8. So 8, write in the ones place. Then 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Answer comes as 6. We will write down under tens column. Then next one, 3 and 4. This is also very easy, children. You can say 3 and 4. If we have to add 3 plus 0, then answer comes as the same number 3. Okay, we will be writing down under hundreds column like this. Our answer 326 plus 46. Our answer comes as 368. Next question, 0 plus 4. So 0 plus 4 is very easy, children. Tell me 4. Okay, 4. Then tens place, 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is also easy. Tell me 8. So write down here under tens column. Then hundreds place we are having 2 and 2. 2 and 2 becomes 4. So we will write down 4 under hundreds column like this. So children, we have seen 3 digit numbers. That is no carry is there. So it is very easy. Simple numbers we have to add and then we have to write down the answer like this. So children, here are next questions. Let us do. Can you find any difference from the previous question? Yes. In the previous question we are having 2 lines, but here you can see 3 lines are there, but also of 3 digit numbers. It consists of 3 digit numbers and 3 lines are there. So how to do it? Let us see. 3 digit numbers. Let us revise again. We are having 203, 312 and 41. So I already said you that we have to start from the ones place, then tens place and hundreds place. Yes or no? Okay. We will start from the ones place. We are having the numbers, 3 numbers are there, that is 3, 2 and 1. We are having 3 numbers. So first add these 2 numbers. 3 plus 2. How much we will be getting? 3 plus 2. Can you tell me 3 plus 2 how much? 5. So this 5, it will be adding next number 1. This 5 we will add with the next number given 1. So 5 plus 1 again we will do and we will find the answer. 5 plus 1, children, 6. So this 6 is the answer of the ones place. Okay. First we will add the 2 numbers, then whatever answer we are getting, that number will be added to the given next number. Then we will write down the answer like this. Let us see the next question. Tens place, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. Then 1 plus 4, 5. This 5 will write down in the tens place. Then next place value 100. We are having 2 and 3. If we add 2 and 3, we get the number as 5. Yes or no? 5. then nothing is there again written, so we can put directly 0 and our answer 5 plus 0 becomes 5. Okay, got it? Next question, let us see. 5 plus 3. Tell me children, 5 plus 3, 8. Then this 8 we will add with the next number given 0. 8 plus 0, 8. Then tens place. 4 plus 1, 5. Then 5 plus 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. Written. Then 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 children, 6. Okay. Then 6. Then we are having next number 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. This 9 will write down here in the hundreds place like this. So our answer comes is 978. Let us see the next question. Ones place. 0 plus 4. Very easy. 4. Then 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. 9. Written. Then tens place. 2 plus 3. 5. 5 plus 2 again. 7. Hundreds place. 3 plus 1. 4. Then 4 plus 2. 6. Yes or no? It's very easy. Do the process. First to add the two numbers given, then add with the next number. Next question. 6 plus 0. 6. 6 or 0? 6. Then 6 plus 3. We will be getting 9. Written. Next question. 4 plus 3. 7. Then this 7 will be adding with the 1. We get the answer as 8. Yes? Okay. 3 plus 2. 5. Then 5 plus 4 children. 9. So, understood how to do this? 3 lines addition. First add 2 numbers. Then whatever answer you are getting, add with the next number. And then directly write down the answer like this. So children, if the question is given to you, add. Okay, 609 and 284. In the line you have to. It is given in the question 609 and 284. How to write down in the step? Let us see. First, see how many digits are there. 3 digits. So give the place value like this: 100, tens, and ones. Okay. Then write down the first number from the back side: 9, 0, then 6. Okay. Next number we are having 284. This way also we have to write down from the back side: 4, 8, and then 2. Okay. This you have to write down in the ones, tens, and hundreds place like this. Put the addition sign and then do the addition. Then you will be getting the answer. So let us see. 9 plus 4. Starts from the ones place. We can see 9 and 4 are there. 9 plus 4. We are getting the answer as, tell me children, 13. So this 13, you will write down here altogether 13? No, no. What you will be doing? This 3 we will write down here, and this 1 it will be going on to the tens place as carryover. Okay. Then we will do the tens place. Tens place 0 plus 8. We are having 0 and 8. 0 plus 8 is easy. 8. Then already 1 is carried over here. So we will add with the answer 8. So we get the new number result is 9. Our answer of tens column is 9. Next, hundreds place. Hundreds place we are having 6 and 2. If we are adding 6 and 2, what number will be coming children? 8. So this 8 will write down here under hundreds column like this. So our answer of 609 284, if we are adding, then our answer comes as 893. Got it children? So children, let us see some more questions. Here also 3 digits are there. So we will add the numbers. Let us see. Starting from the ones place, which number we are having? 4 and 8. We have to add 4 and 8. If we are adding 4 and 8, so we get the answer as 12. Do you have to write 12 here under ones column? No. So what you will be doing? This 2 you will write down here under ones place, and this one will write down as carry over to our tens place. You can write down above tens also. Here space is empty, so I have written 1. Next just above 9. Okay. Now let us see 9 plus 7. Can you tell me 9 plus 7? 16. But already 1 is given carry. So we'll add 1 and 16. If you are adding 1 and 16, we get the answer again 17. This 7, it will write down. We will write down here 7, and this one it will go as carry over to the hundreds place like this. Okay. Then 5 plus 9. 14. 14 plus 1. 15. So our answer of 594 plus 978 is 1572. Okay. Let us see the next question. 6 and 8. If you are adding 6 and 8, we get the answer as 14. 4 will write down here, and 1 goes to the tens place as carry. Okay. Then 9 plus 7. Add 9 and 7. Tell me 16. But 16, 1 is already given. 16 plus 1, 17. 7 will be coming here, and 1 will be going to the hundreds place like this. Then 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So our answer of 996 plus 978 is 1974. 1974. Okay. Next question. 876 plus 534. We are having from the ones place 6 plus 4 children 10. 0 we will write down here, and 1 will write down as carry over to the tens place. Okay. Then 7 plus 3, 10. 1 is there. So 10 plus 1, 11. 1 will write down here, and 1 will be going to the hundreds place as carry. Then 8 plus 5, 30. Yes, 30. But we are having 1 as carry. So we will add 13 and 1. We get the answer as 14. Yes. If we are adding 876 plus 534, then we get the answer as 4410. 141410. Okay. Next question. 0 plus 5. It's very easy. Okay, you will write down directly the same number 5. Next, 9 and 8 you have to add. 9 and 8. You get the answer as 17. 7 you will write down here, and 1 it will be going to the hundreds place. Okay. Then 7 plus 9. Tell me children. 7 plus 9. 16. But 1 is carry. So 16 plus 1. 17. So 790 plus 985. We get the answer as 1775. Read it properly. 1775. So children, these are the questions of your chapter addition. Practice it like this. You now came to know about how to do it. Start from the ones place, then 10 place, hundreds place. See the carry properly. If 2 numbers are there, 2 digits are there, then give carry to the next place value, and do not forget to add this carry with the answers coming, and then write down the answer. Okay children, I hope you have understood today's chapter addition. Practice it more so that you will be able to do well in your examination. That's all of today's class. Have a nice day children. All the best for your examination.